Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Spotify playing random songs. So first, let's address the shuffle play. If your playlist isn't playing in the order you set it, might be because shuffle is turned on. To turn off shuffle, at the bottom of the screen, click on your library. Now, tap on the playlist here. You can see all your favorite songs as a playlist. Look for the two intersecting arrows on the right hand side near the middle of your screen. This should be gray to indicate that shuffle is off. You can also find this setting on the left hand side of the music player. Make sure it's not highlighted to ensure your tracks play in the sequence you intended, turning off autoplay. If Spotify starts playing songs that aren't even in your playlist, it's likely because autoplay is enabled. Pulling in suggested tracks. To fix this, go to your home screen in Spotify and at the top left corner, click on the profile icon from the menu that appears. Click on the setting and privacy here, look for the option playback and click on it. If autoplay is on, it will keep playing similar tracks even when your playlist ends. Turn this off to stick to your chosen songs, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.